right, so we're back for another site visit. This one's a little different. We're actually over at Parliament Millwork in Gatineau, and we're going to be inspecting and looking over the kitchen. We're here with Chris, the owner at Parliament. Chris, can you tell us a bit about the kitchen, some of the selections we picked, and materials?
Yeah, absolutely. We're using a 19 mil full 3/4 white melamine. We're using Hedix metal drawer boxes with the white oak designer profiles on them, full soft close, everything. This kitchen is a two-tone sort of area. Everything in the kitchen itself is finished with a satin cloud white painted MDF. And the sitting rooms and the living rooms and the areas just off of the kitchen are all finished in a Revere pewter with some white oak accents. At Parliament, we're a little bit unique that we have the capability to actually fabricate our doors from scratch here. So working with our in-house designer, Alexia and Miranda, they chose the two-step shaker profile with a fairly shallow interior pocket. Went back and forth a couple times on exactly what size we wanted our rails and styles and interior sort of partition to be. And we landed on a 50 mil, 10 mil step, and clients loved it. The designers loved it, and we love building it.
We're almost done construction of the main boxes now. Final assembly is going on, and then we're moving over to the site in a couple days to start assembly. Let's talk a bit about the reading, because that was something unique. If you guys remember from the project, we have the arches on the wall by the fireplace. We wanted to make those cabinets stand out a little bit more, so let's go take a look at those.
Okay.
So this reading is going to be on the door faces of the two cabinets underneath on either side of the fireplace, but it's presented some unique challenges. Although it does look very good, the paint isn't taking very well.
No. So this is a two-piece door. So we kept the same 50 mil exterior shaker profile carved on our CNC out of MDF. And the center panel is actually a poplar tambour on a flexible back. Now, this product works awesome when you're doing sort of concave and convex curves, but we've had some unique challenges with it, locking in this frame and putting a bunch of water-based finish on it. It constricted as the finish went onto it. And now you can see our finisher, Jason, is having to caulk every single crack in this door. But that is how it is with custom millwork. You know, you never get everything 100% right the first time you do it. And this door style, while beautiful, is quite labor intensive. And we'd probably approach it a little bit differently on the next project we do.
Lesson learned.
Lesson learned.
Fair enough. So we'll finish up on this stuff in the next couple days, be on site for next week, and we'll pick you up with the install then. A few days later, since you saw us last at the shop, we have a good amount of cabinetry installed. Chris is here for Parliament, doing the last little touches on the banquette, the front entry, and of course the arches over here. But this should give you an idea of what the cabinetry is supposed to look like. We still need to do our door handles and our shelves, but everything else is pretty much in place in the right spot and fits properly, which is the important part. So Chris, what were some of the challenges on the install here?
Floor in these old homes is never level. Well, you find when you install cabinetry that nothing in this world is actually true, level, and straight. So we scribe all our pieces to fit. I think some of the boys were telling me there's about 1 5/8 inch difference in this place before you guys started to ready patch. And so at a point, you just stop using your measuring tape and you just use your scribe tools and
the laser.
And the laser,
The laser, right. So pretty straightforward install, nothing too crazy then. We have our banquette here. It's in the process of install. You can see that Chris uses his biscuit joints on the front here to install all of his face plates so that there's no fasteners on the front. We're just working on scribe pieces, finishing touches. Should be done in a couple days.
Yeah.
Piece of cake. So we're really on to the finishing touches on this project. There's a few things coming up in the next few weeks. We're working on tile right now. There's some brick to be redone on the outside. We're also getting our countertops measured in a couple days here, so those will be coming in. And then the next video will be us doing a lot of the trim baseboard casing, installing the doors, all the finishing touches like that. We'll have a coat of paint on them afterwards, and we're on to the next one. So that'll be it for now, and we'll see you next time.